Welcome again. We are continuing our last lecture on the topic similarity. Today we are going to solve the examples given in practice set 1.3. The first example given in practice set 1.3. In the figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Now see in this picture, this is the given figure. In this figure there are two triangles, triangle ACB and another triangle is triangle DCE. In these two triangles the vertex C is common, that is angle C is common in both the triangles. Again, it is given that measure of angle ABC is 75 degree and measure of angle EDC is 75 degree. That is, these two angles are congruent. Then write the solution as follows. Write in triangle DCE and triangle BCA. Angle CDE is congruent to angle CBA having measure 75 degree. Then angle DCE is congruent to angle BCA, common angle, and therefore triangle DCE is similar to triangle BCA by AA test of similarity. The test of similarity is AA test and the proper one-to-one correspondence is DCE correspond to BCA. This is our answer. The second example is, are the triangles given in the figure similar? If yes, by which test? Now look at the two triangles given in the figure. There is triangle PQR and triangle LMN. Also, the lengths of the three sides of both the triangles are given. If we take the ratios of the corresponding sides, that is PQ and LM are the corresponding sides and ratios of their lengths 6 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Ratio of PR upon LN, that is 10 upon 5 is equal to again 2 upon 1. And QR upon MN is equal to 8 upon 4. This ratio is again 2 upon 1. That is, the corresponding sides are in proportion. And then by SSS test we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, then write the solution. Solution: PQ upon LM is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. Give this statement as number 1. QR upon MN is equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4. Give number 2 to this statement. Then PR upon ln is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to again 2 upon 1. Give number 3. Then write the names of the two triangles in the triangle PQR and triangle LMN. PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN from 1 to 3. And therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN, and write the name of the test by SSS test. Okay. Then the third example, as shown in the given figure. Two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Now look at the figure. There are two poles. First pole is AC and another is PR. Their lengths are 8 meter and 4 meter and these poles are perpendicular to the ground. Okay. Then BC is the shadow of pole AC and QR is the shadow of pole PR. The length of shadow QR is given as 6 meter and we have to find the length of shadow BC. We take it as x meter. Okay. Then solution. Now PR and AC are the two poles who have their shadows as QR and BC respectively. Then the shadows cast at the same time. Both these shadows cast at the same time. Therefore, their lengths are in proportion. And therefore, since AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR, the two triangles are similar triangles by side angle side test. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. AC upon PR is equal to QR upon BC and perpendicular angle, and therefore by SAS test we can write the two triangles are similar. Then by taking the ratios of their corresponding sides, PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Then replacing the values of PR, AC and QR, we get 4 by 8 is equal to 6 upon x. Then by cross multiplying, 4 into x is equal to 6 into 8. Solve this and we get the value of x as 12 meter. That is, the length of BC is 12 meter. That is, the length of the shadow of the bigger pole is 12 meter. This is the answer. The fourth example is, in triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC. See here, AP perpendicular to BC. BQ perpendicular to AC. Then B dash P dash C, that is PP, BPC are collinear vertices, collinear points. Then AQC, these are also collinear points. Then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. Now, in this example, we have to first prove these two triangles are similar, and then by using the properties of similarity, we can find the value of AC. Okay. Now solution. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB. Triangle CPA, here is the triangle CPA, triangle CQB. Angle CPA, that is this angle, and angle CQB, that is this angle. These two angles are congruent. Reason आहे त्याचं, both the angles are of the measure 90 degree. Then angle ACP, that is this angle, is congruent to angle BCQ. This is the common angle in both the triangles. And therefore, by AA test of similarity, we can say that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. Then, now these two triangles are similar. We have proved this. Now, using the properties of similarity, AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. Write the reason over here. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. CSST असं तुम्ही शॉर्ट मध्ये लिहिलं तरी चालतं. Then writing the values, 7 by 8 is equal to AC upon 12. Then by cross multiplying, we get AC into 8 is equal to 7 into 12, and therefore AC is equal to 10.5. The value of AC we have got 10.5. Okay. Now homework. When are the two triangles become similar? Second question. Write the test of similarity. You have to write the names of this test and also write the statements. Then Solve the examples given in practice set 1.3. Solve the examples given on textbook page 18, 19 and 20. These are the solved examples given in the textbook. You have to solve it in your notebook again. Thank you.